Tonight I'm making chicken marsala with a polenta and a light arugula salad. I am pairing it with a nice bottle of red, which is absolutely delicious. Please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, and you will be notified of new upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Next up, you've got to collect all your ingredients, which I've done right over here. And here I go. A little cube. Try and keep it as consistent as possible. With the mushrooms, I've washed them and prepared them. I'm just going to cut them like so, little slices. Okay, so I have all my chicken laid out, and it's encased in 2 sheets of wax paper, one on the bottom, one on top. I'm taking my rolling pin and I'm going to just kind of flatten them a bit because I want them to be as thin as possible. Okay, so I've taken 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and I'm just going to use my fingers to do this. I'm just going to dredge them all like that. My meat, I think, works out to 1.5 pounds, and I'm going to put a sprinkle of pepper and salt on here as well. So I've got just a little salt. I'm just going to sprinkle it on like so, and a little bit of pepper as well, like that. I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to do the other side, and we're going to pan sear this very quickly. I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of oil because I'm going to pan fry those little chicken cutlets. It's nice and hot, so I'm just going to put them all in like that and give it a little browning. These are all the items you'll need for the chicken. Organic chicken broth, 1/2 cup, 1/3 cup of of Marcella wine, 2 cups of mushrooms, pepper and salt to taste, 2 shallots diced up small, parsley, 4 cloves of garlic sliced into thin slices, like so. And of course you need 1 tablespoon of butter for when you're making the sauce to put the chicken in. So I'm going to let it fry for a bit till it's a little brown, and then flip it over and then take it out and put it in a plate and make my sauce. In the meantime, I'm turning on my back stove. My garlic is pretty translucent, so I'm adding my 2 shallots in there to fry. And I'm going to do it a light golden brown. Chicken is done, so I'm going to take it off and I'm going to move that on here. That's almost done. So I'm going to add my mushrooms to this sauce here, to the onion mixture. Okay, I've transferred my mushrooms here and I'm going to give it a nice little fry till they all blend in with the onion. My mushrooms are coming along really well. That's 2 cups of water. They're starting to stick, so I'm going to add my Marcella wine in here. I'm going to burn it, stand back, and let the alcohol burn down. Be really careful with the stem. All this burn down into the sauce. I like it spicy, so I'm just going to add like less than 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. You can see it. And about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add my broth, my chicken broth, to that and let it boil down. It's come to a nice boil, so I'm going to add my chicken strips in there. And they coated with flour, so it should thicken up the sauce. This smells so heavenly, and it's just so easy to prepare. I'm just going to flip them over just to incorporate the sauce with my chicken. It's starting to thicken up, and I'm going to let it cook on low for about another 15 minutes. While I'm waiting for that to boil, I've taken a tray like that and I've sprayed it with pan, because I'm going to put the polenta in here to set. You could use chicken broth or vegetable broth in lieu of the water. My water is starting to boil. So I'm going to add my polenta to the water slowly and give it a stir. You're going to have to do this for about 10 minutes because you don't want it to be lumpy in any way. You keep stirring it. I've lowered the stove and I'm just going to keep stirring it. I'm going to add about 1/2 grated Parmesan cheese. It's a good quality one, and I'm just going to add it to here and keep cooking it.
Even if the sky is falling down.
I added all of the water to that, so I've had 3 cups of water now to this. So now this is ready. I'm going to take it and pour it into my prepared grease dish, and I'm going to put it in the oven 350 for 15 minutes. I've poured it into my dish, and now I'm going to put it into the oven. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh Italian parsley. I'm going to show you now how to make my salad dressing, which I'm going to serve with my arugula. I hope you guys can see that. It looks yummy. Okay, now on to the salad. I'm using a little bowl of arugula, just plain. I want to keep it very simple because I don't want to fight with the taste of the cheese with the polenta. I initially was going to make 3 cheese polenta, then I figured, you know what, I'm just going to keep it really simple and easy to make. The MARCELLA is kind of rich, so it balances it all out. First up, half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. I like using this brand, it's my favorite. I'm going to use a 1/4 cup of good quality olive oil, a teaspoon, sorry, 1, 2, and it's a good quality one, so I'm using that. I'm going to use about 2 teaspoons of white wine vinegar. I like using fresh ground pepper, just as much as you like. I'm just giving it, like, not a lot, it's as much as you want. A pinch of salt, and about a teaspoon of good quality maple syrup. And I'm going to take half a lemon and I'm going to squeeze it in there to here. On the arugula, I'm going to put a few shavings of good quality Parmesan. I got this at the Italian store. It comes already shaved and it's really delicious. I'm going to sprinkle it on when I'm ready. And if my kids want, I'm going to add an avocado to it as well. And you can add tomato if you want, but I'm just going to keep it very simple.
Even if the sky is falling